people would say, wait a minute, I don't like to live this kind of life. I don't want to have a relationship with such a God. He's angry, he's furious, he's aiming to wicked people. Any minute he can shoot them in any given moment. I don't want to live in a fear. I want my relationship with God to be friendly, like a father and a son. The father lets you do whatever you want almost. I want this kind of God. God is not according to your request. You don't have a computer that you can design your own God. I want him like this, and I want him like that, and I want him more generous, and I want him less angry, and I want him more merciful. This is only the mind of the fools. But we do not have a say who our God would be, who our Maker would be. He made us already, it's a fact. Nobody asked us if we wanted to be made. We were made, and we had a book of laws, and the book of laws recommend what to do and what not to do. I send the sicknesses, and I take them away. If you keep my commandments, and you avoid my restriction, and you follow my path, I will remove all the sicknesses that exist. In another place in the Torah it's written, כל המחלה אשר שמתי במצרים לא אשים עליך, כי אני השם רופאך. All the sicknesses that I gave to these wicked Egyptians in Egypt, Pharaoh and his people, I will not send to you. Why? I am your God. I am your doctor. I am the one that came to cure you, not to make you sick. But what is the condition on your behalf? You have to be faithful to my Torah and to my commandments. The problem is today that people don't want to listen. They don't want to listen, and even when they listen, they ignore. Instead of being ashamed and telling the speaker or the rabbi or the friend that rebuked them, I appreciate. Thank you so much for caring about me. Thank you for wasting your time coming all the way to tell me these things which I wasn't aware of, because I'm not such a great learner in the book of God. So I appreciate you do it, and you give me the information, and for free. Instead of blaming themselves, it's much easier to blame the person that came to rebuke you. And King Solomon, by the way, already wrote about this phenomena. He wrote, איוולת אדם תסלף דרכו, ועל השם יזעף ליבו. The stupidity of a person will turn him away from the path of God. And who is going to blame? God himself. Why life is not great, why I'm sick, why I'm suffering, why I became poor, why? It's all God. He doesn't like me. I don't know what he wants, why he does it to me. It's not fair, I don't deserve it. You know all these things. King Solomon already warned from these kind of fakers, doing everything against God and then complaining when he give them a smack. By the way, you should know the smacks are not the punishment. I want you to know. If a person loses money, that's a wake-up call. That's like a father giving his son a smack, not because he wants him not to feel the pain. He wants him to be aware that the father is very angry at him, of the way he behaves, the way he dresses, the way he talks, and what he does late at night in the streets. So the punishment is not for the sake of revenge. The punishment is for the sake of waking you up, to know how disgusted I am from the way you behave. Why am I showing you such an angry face and react strictly to what you do? Out of my love to you, not out of hate. It's out of love, not out of hate.